Hey guys, welcome back to the channel of my AE86 build. Um, so where I am right now, it's still cold as hell right now in New York. Um, I was able to take the engine out. I didn't get to film that, but I did take the 4AC out, and I had some change of plans that happened. So I was supposed to put a 4G inside of there, and I was talking to somebody on Facebook, and he told me why put a 4G inside. It doesn't make any sense for the amount of money and time that I'm going to be putting into to put a big port inside of my SR5. I could put in possibly beams, which cost the same amount, maybe even less. So yeah, I might do a beams, maybe not. But for right now, I might be moving soon. So I had to try to get this car running so I can drive it out of here. So what I did was I took apart the 4AC, changed the head gasket, changed the main seal on the front seal, cleaned out the head, put new valve seals on, and right now here's how it looks. I got my heater right here because it's like 30 degrees out right now, and so new rear main seal. I'm gonna be putting on the flywheel and pilot bearing on, maybe the clutch. I also changed the timing belt on here. It's a brand new timing belt. It's really hard to see, but yep, that's a brand new timing belt that's on there. Yeah, I can't clean up the block. I don't have time, and it's really cold right now, and the pipes will freeze if I open up the wall, if I open the pipe up. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put on the flywheel and the pilot bearing and see where it goes. Maybe I might put on the clutch. I still have to do the seals on the T50 over there. I'm gonna change the rear seal and the front input seal because I think those are bad, or I know the rear seal is bad, so definitely, so I have to change those. And yeah, go from there. So another reason I'm sticking with the 4AC right now is because it's carbureted, and carbureted engines are way more easier to deal with than fuel injected engines, in my opinion. I don't have to deal with all that computer bullshit. I still need to put on some gaskets on here on the 4AC. Yeah, so I put on the new head gasket, put some copper spray on there, and just installed it. It's pretty straightforward. It's not that hard. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on this flywheel and see where it goes. So I just took that same puller, I'm gonna put in the longer bell housing bolt in the middle, hooked up to the back, and put one of the flywheel pressure plate bolts on, and this is not going nowhere. So yeah, I'll torque these down. I believe these are 47 foot-pounds. Alright, so got my clutch and pressure plate. Yeah, that's the clutch installed. I think that might be it for today. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else. It's too cold, freezing outside. Whoever's working on the 4AC, hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, just ask me. If I can answer it, I'll answer it. If not, then I'll push you in the right direction. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You know, subscribe if you guys want to see more of these videos, because I still do have a lot planned for this car. So yeah, thanks. Bye guys. Well, I made a big mistake. I didn't put on the dust shield, so I have to take all of this out again and reinstall the dust shield. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, just finished putting everything back together. Yeah, that took a while. And I put more thread locker, obviously, and I put thread locker on the pressure plate bolts this time. So yeah, everything looks good. Everything's still at top dead center. Don't be careless like me.